Welcome, everyone, to the Gut Revolution podcast. Are you tired of that post-meal bloat? That heavy, sluggish feeling after indulging in your favorite foods?
Exactly, Molly. We're diving deep today into a shocking truth. That one innocent bite of cheesecake or that late-night pizza could be hijacking your vagus nerve and paralyzing your digestion for hours.
It sounds dramatic, Jason, but it's the reality for so many. We're going to expose how processed sugar and simple carbohydrates weaponize your gut-brain axis, leading to inflammation, digestive paralysis, and that dreaded post-pizza bloat.
Let's break down the science. When you eat something like cheesecake, the sugar triggers a cascade of inflammatory cytokines. These flood your vagus nerve, the vital communication line in your gut-brain axis. This disrupts your digestive motility, slowing everything down.
And that vagus nerve pathway, normally safeguarding your parasympathetic nervous system, becomes hijacked, leading to a vicious cycle of inflammation and digestive paralysis. It's the perfect storm for gut dysbiosis, resulting in that familiar post-indulgence gut wrench.
The dopamine, 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 the dopamine.
That gut-wrenching discomfort after indulging in your favorite pizza? That's likely your vagus nerve screaming in silent protest. There's a battle waged between the opiate-like effects of that pizza and your digestive system's natural rhythms.
But here's the shocking twist. You can weaponize your body's own countermeasures. Molly, tell us more about this.
All right, Jason. Immediately following the pizza-induced chaos, forcefully inhale pure menthol vapor for precisely 20 seconds. It's a sensory shockwave that aggressively stimulates those same vagus nerve fibers.
Menthol vapor? That sounds intense. What's the science behind that?
The idea is that the menthol helps override the inflammatory cascade and recalibrates your gut's parasympathetic nervous system's functionality. You could experience near-instant digestive relief as your gut-brain connection swiftly reestablishes its natural balance.
So, you're saying we can potentially transform gut agony into blissful tranquility just with a few breaths?
Exactly. You'll digest that pizza, you'll conquer that nerve, and you'll dominate your digestion, all in a matter of breathtaking minutes.
Wow, that sounds incredible. But what about other late-night cravings? Like tacos?
Tacos. Uncover the shocking gut-brain axis sabotage. Those late-night tacos can hijack your vagus nerve, triggering insidious inflammatory cascades and, ultimately, paralyzing digestion.
So it's not just pizza then. This vagus nerve is really sensitive.
It is, Jason. The enteric nervous system, your gut's intricate neural network, is silently communicating with your brain via the vagus nerve, a superhighway for stress signals. Late-night greasy food, especially tacos, can overload this pathway, triggering a parasympathetic nervous system shutdown.
Okay, so we have the problem laid out. What's the solution for the taco-induced trouble?
Weaponize your parasympathetic system with a 30-second tongue scrape. This can instantly reset your gut microbiome and unleash digestive firepower.
A tongue scrape? Really? How does that help?
Think of it as gut flora alchemy. You're reversing the inflammatory storm and taking back control of your digestion. It can help kickstart the system when it has been slowed down. Welcome everyone to another episode of Biohacks for a Better You. I'm Molly.
And I'm Jason. Today we're diving deep into the murky waters of late-night cravings and gut health. Specifically, how those innocent-looking tacos might be sabotaging your entire digestive system.
Exactly, Jason. You see, your gut's enteric nervous system, that incredible second brain silently orchestrating digestion, can go into a state of agony when you bombard it with late-night indulgence.
It's true. This unleashes a cascade of gut-brain axis dysfunction, essentially silencing your vagus nerve, the critical communication line between your belly and your brain.
Leaving you feeling sluggish, bloated, and trapped in a vicious cycle of inflammation and unhealthy cravings. It's a disaster.
But Molly, there's got to be a solution, right? I refuse to believe tacos are the enemy.
Fear not, taco lovers. Here's the shocking truth. A mere 7-second tongue scrape can be your secret weapon.
Wait, a tongue scrape? Seriously? How's that work?
It's all about targeting the mechanoreceptors at the back of your throat. This directly stimulates the vagus nerve, bypassing the inflammatory chaos and instantly restoring gut motility.
So, it's like rebooting the system?
Precisely. It banishes that post-taco paralysis, giving you back control over your appetite, your energy, and even your microbiome. Think of it as a digestive reset button.
That's incredible. So, after a late night indulgence, a quick tongue scrape helps counteract the inflammatory response.
Spot on. By targeting the vagus nerve's oral sensory inputs, you're immediately rebooting the parasympathetic response,
which, in turn, counteracts the inflammatory cascade and unleashes your gut's digestive prowess,
transforming your sluggish gut into a high-performing, biochemically optimized digestive powerhouse that pulverizes late-night food-induced inflammation and restores microbiome harmony.
Wow, that's a mouthful. So, this ancient Ayurvedic technique essentially weaponizes the very pathway our late-night cravings hijack.
Exactly. It turns a gut-brain axis disaster into a gut-brain axis triumph.
So ditch the guilt, enjoy the taco, and grab that tongue scraper.
Unlock your digestive destiny today. That's all for this episode of Biohacks for a Better You. Until next time. Welcome, everyone, to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the fascinating world of health and wellness. I'm Molly.
And I'm Jason. Today, we're tackling a topic that might surprise you, how your late-night cravings could be hijacking your health. Get ready to unlock a forgotten pathway, weaponize your tongue, and dominate your digestive destiny.
That's right.